warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Shifted Podcast. And now we in third episode of Shifted Podcast. And welcome back with me here, Afra as your host. And today in this episode we will discuss the new topic that more deep than two topic in two episodes before. So we also have two guests here, as you see that I have prepared to share here, and yeah. So wherever you are right now, guys, let's take a break and begin our discussion. Okay, let's come, my friend. Yeah, we have my classmate actually. Oh my god. Here, Adam, you see him in the first episode, I know. And this is Hisham, you see him in the two episodes with Adam. Okay, now, how do you do? How life? How was your day?
Everything is under control. Every day is under control. Happy to be invited here again with Hisham and you as my classmate.
Okay, thank you, Adam. And how was your day, Hisham?
Good, I'm good. So always happy because if we feel happy, the
entire day will happy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. As for me, it's kind of what do you call timer. It's because we have a lot of segments this week.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm still happy. I'm still happy.
Okay, you will be
I'm
happy.
tired, but I'm happy.
Itu taruh ya.
Okay.
And how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah.
Really?
Yeah. As you said before, I'm tired, but I'm happy because we can do some activity. Yes.
Oh.
Right. Okay, thank you guys for coming in here with me in this podcast. And this third episode, we will talk about ourselves. Okay.
Oh,
Last episode ya.
last episode.
As last episode.
More episode.
We will talk about ourselves.
Why you
and
say no more?
No more episode.
No, why?
Why? You don't want to talk long?
Yeah, no, because it's using English ya. Using English. We must use English. The obligation from our best. Continue.
Cut. Okay.
Continue.
Okay, we continue. Okay. In this episode, we will talk about us. It means, as we know, we're not just as a student. We have two heads in our head. Not just a university student, but also as a what can to say? I want to say it like a worker, but let's say we have another job to do. Okay. As for me, I'm not just a international student of Islamic communication in UMY, but also as a teacher at the Ma'had.
Boarding school.
Boarding school.
Do you know this? Do you know that? I do.
Not yet. It's
Oh really?
Really?
This is first
My
time.
first time.
Okay, yes. That I'm inform you that I'm a teacher. Mushrifah lah ya.
Oh.
Some people call it Mushrifah. Say it in Mushrifah.
I try to call you Mustifah nih ya.
Yeah. Okay, that's my that's what I'm doing besides as a university student. So, what about you, Adam? What do you do?
I do behind selain sorry
Behind is here.
Yeah, beside as a student in this UMY as komunikasi broadcasting Islamic ya, Islamic
Yes.
Communication Broadcasting.
Mhm.
I do my family jobs ya.
You.
My mother and my father is an entrepreneur, and the job is for or not for one person, for my father, but for the family, all of member of family. We do it together, not one person or my mother, just my mother, but all of member of my family.
No.
Yeah, one for all.
Yes.
Film.
So there is the
And also,
what the kerjasama
The
cooperation.
cooperation
yeah.
in the whole member of the family.
Yeah. That and the one others like Afra, like Afra.
Then you not just have a 2 head, right? You have a 3 head.
Three. Yes. Three like
Okay.
Afra. I can't explain more, but Afra have explained it before.
Okay, we change to our brother Hisham here. What do you do, Hisham?
Present as the student and this university. I control my little business.
Business, okay.
Control my little business every day or every day. The what from my employee. I control my employee. So there is the report from my employee about income today or net income today. So about the profit or not every month, like that.
Okay. So we called you as a owner.
CEO.
No.
Hisham.
Yeah, Mr. Hisham.
No, don't call me Mr. Call me Syam.
Okay.
Mas Syam.
Okay. Okay, guys. And as we know that we have one more than one of role. Yeah, we have 2 role here, or like Adam. He has 3 roles. Yeah, not just as a student. So, what are the biggest difference between your life before working? Oh no, your life before have 2 roles, and after you start to have 2 roles from
Hisham.
Okay.
What's
from
up?
his no. Okay, you now you have 2
Yeah.
roles, right? So what
Yeah.
different before you doing 2 roles and now you started doing
Automatically, I feel so.
Sure.
Especially in this semester, because there is many assignments.
Okay. Too much excitement.
It's too much. So what the kosakata? I cannot control.
Can control both of the university and
Yeah,
your
I can control. So I just can control the one role.
Okay. And how about you? Adam?
How about me?
Hmm?
How about me?
Yes. You. Yes, you.
Actually, I forget the question. Yeah.
The biggest difference between the biggest difference between your life before you take these 2 roles
Okay.
and then you take this role.
Okay, different. Okay, different before I have
Three.
more lah. Yeah, before the difference is in the beginning of the university and in the first semester, I feel so then. Because
Yes, we looked at from you.
not yet busy.
Yeah,
Not
you
yet
so busy now.
not busy, not yet busy. Because in the first I have to adapt with college, with the environment, and after I have got the responsible to take one mini market in my family business, and to deliver and to buy the order from the customer. I have other kesibukan. I have other kesibukan than my study. And since July 2025, I have get again. I have get again from panggilan alam, that my boarding school needs me.
We say before panggilan alam.
Panggilan alam. Panggilan ilahi.
Panggilan alam.
Ilahi.
Ya, panggilan karena
Universal.
seleksi alam itu memanggil kita lagi.
Universe selection.
Ya,
Okay.
karena seleksi alam itu memanggil kita lagi. Then they need me and I have again, I have to manage the time, I have to manage the risk that I focus on this one side, and the other side is it will be terabaikan.
What it's called, terabaikan.
Cannot control.
Cannot control.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, as for me, it's so quite different because life before I take these two roles as just the beginning is I take the as a teacher first, then to be a university student. As you know that I get student, so the first years before I continuing my study, I hit my time, pengabdian, and that time I has been to be a teacher. I have do my job as a teacher, as a musyrifah in the dormitory. Then I continuing my study as a student university.
And how long you want to be?
You want to be what?
You want to be the
Supervisor.
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know. But in
Until you married.
I don't know. Maybe that's it. Yeah, but in my what do you mean overtime?
Plan.
Yeah. In my plan now, I maybe I extend this to roll until 2030. 20 and 30. 20 and 30. But I don't know, maybe can more than that. Okay, then, okay guys. Which run up faster for you? The time of the energy. What? Time or
The time.
The time.
Okay, because
Why?
the time is cold there. Time is cold. So about energy, I don't care about energy because the gift,
Oh, that what
the
we-
goal,
yeah,
the goal is happiness or something. It's no problem about energy, but the time is very short.
Very short, like-
More for me.
2000. But 24 hours is not enough, right?
Yes.
No,
Like more than that.
because we are still young,
Oh.
still
We
young.
still have more spirit,
We
more.
still have
Okay.
spirit more. I don't care about the mental health.
Oh,
Damn.
I don't care.
I think that's the difference between men and women.
Yeah, I don't care about mental health because if I feel sad or I feel not happy or not happy and happy, so
So,
I don't care. I just want to work and study. I don't care about mental health.
I can learn from you then. Because the biggest challenge for, I think, the women case, like, the mental issues, very, no illness lah. mental issues. Mental issues. What? Attack
Oh.
me. Attacking me. So like finding my yeah. I should do this, but because the mental attack, so I'm too lazy to do my job or.
So you do next time.
Oh, that's the. If you, I think it is the what? If we could talk to our younger self
Yes.
when we still in 12 years or in senior high school life, what will we say to ourselves before we taking on this double role? What will you say?
Me?
Adam?
Okay. Me?
Yes.
First?
Yeah,
Or
you first. Or I'm first.
You first.
Oh, I'm first. Okay.
You first.
Okay. Yeah, I will say to my younger self that I'm so proud of myself. Thank you for being brave, for being kind, for being what? What the meaning of sabar?
Patient.
Passion to doing this double roles. As a student, you have a lot of excitement. So as a teacher, you have a lot of excitement too. But you still can doing this until now, and hope you can stay as long as you can, so you can give we know that everything with what we do, we have intention, right? We have achievement that I want. So thank you, and you doing a great job. Good. So how about you?
How about Hisham?
For your
Hisham.
For your
Hisham.
young Hisham.
Yeah, Hisham.
Young Hisham.
Before join job. Before have business.
Before have business. Before.
For
To
me,
be-
also for your.
For young Hisham.
For young Hisham.
For young Hisham.
Uh,
Young Hisham didn't expect that. He is
in the reality we don't need the motivation.
Oh, you don't need the first direction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just action.
Oh,
Yes.
but that part of motivation.
Yeah. Okay. So what? So don't spend your money for anything or something what didn't have the function for you.
Mhm.
Okay. So save your money. So invest your money because so invest your money. Because in learning about money is important for us.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How
Okay,
about
from me.
you?
Okay, from me ya. From me ya.
Yes, from you.
From me. I think I will apa menyampaikan deliver
Say.
deliver it with mixed language because I confused to how to say permit is the
Iya.
permit permit seperti
Maybe we can put the background like big more.
Yeah. Okay.
Terus seperti
To the editor.
Oke, untuk the younger me, for the younger me
Yang ada.
yang Adam before entering this world like you
Udah kamu.
entering dunia ini as Afra and Hisham said. Okay, first I want to say thanks. Second, I want to say you can merasakan, you can feel the experience You want to feel the experience, you have to nyemplung in that
This world.
in this world, yeah. Because in the before we have the expectation for our future, we can see bisa predict, we have to predict it, we have to take the good for us or the bad for us, and this is what you choose, and what you choose, yeah. As this is what we choose for the best for our future.
Yes.
Permit, it's also here permit.
Okay.
For us, permit.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Permit, it's also here permit.
Okay, guys. I think we took a long time for this podcast,
Yes,
so
yeah.
we just end until this.
Yeah.
Okay, but I think we can do this more. But I don't want actually. Okay, thank you guys for your sharing.
Okay.
Our discussion or talking about this. About us, as a student, a university student, and also has another job to do,
Yeah.
as a CEO Hizam.
No.
Masih.
Don't call me CEO, yeah.
Okay. And
Ustazah Afra.
okay. And
Ustaz Adab.
Okay, so to be in two roles in your life is not about a balancing, but it's about you keep doing it. Like
Yeah.
balance is we will do it in your everyday life. So it's not just balancing it, but you must still keep doing your double role.
Okay.
Okay. And thank you for your what?
Yes. Can I give this the closing statement from?
Okay.
Okay.
I have motivation.
Okay.
Yeah,
Little
but
motivation.
Yeah,
but Shamsi, you don't have question.
No.
Okay.
My words to you all, your generation. There is no busy person,
Oh.
but just the person that doing their priority.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay. Enough. Thank you, guys. Okay, I think the last episode, for this podcast, TikTok podcast. Okay, thank you for your joining us in this podcast in our discussion, and keep doing your job. Guys, keep doing your role.
Okay.
Because you can do it. Okay, and Shifted Podcast, shifting roles, chasing goals. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Plus.